We are dissatisfied because there's a lot the government can do for us. There's so many cruise ships coming in the harbour, tourists in the hotel, and we just sit like we're idlers. And it cannot be like this. We are not satisfied.
2001, 2002, the PNP government understood that there were elements of tourism that would benefit. If you put a little money in, everybody would benefit. And so the Tourism Enhancement Fund was set up. Later on, it was put in the Consol Fund, but with the understanding that these funds would be accessible to tourism. And one of the main reasons is you cannot have a craft market like this in this condition. And it is in deplorable condition. It looks like no money has been spent on this, at least for 9 years. And the fact of the matter is that this is, if you are not able to access funds to deal with some of the small business, you're going to take the small businesses out of the equation, and then the average Jamaican will not see the benefits.
There were some craft policies that were in place. There's some craft policies that he will come back and try to put in place for the craft industry to strive, for the Ocho Rios craft market and the craft markets across Jamaica to strive.
These families that are dependent on craft and have been for generations, some of them, and have the know-how, have the passion for it, and want to be part of the tourism industry to make our tourists feel happy and wanted and want to come back and leave Jamaica with an authentic piece of Jamaica, are not being treated as priority participants in the industry. Something is very wrong with that, and we will have to fix it.
Many of us, especially these people are on this side as well, they don't see anything. They don't see any guests. They don't see. We have to be fighting each other for the one bone. You ever see 10 persons and one bone come in and we just have to be grabbing at it? It's sad. And we don't want to live like that. The craft traders don't want to live like that amongst ourselves.